Right, might help some of you. Gas bottles, just normal gas bottle, and the bottles you use for your stoves. These gas bottles, I don't know if you can see, I've melted a little notch in the top. Right, you've got to clean the eye out, or the hole, once you've melted it through. What I do is I use my baiting needle, and then I put it on first, and then I heat one end up, and then I draw it back to melt it slowly. If you heat it up too quick, it will just drop through the end of that. It melts really easy. Alright, so just put it on the top, heat the other end and draw it back, and it will just drop down in and make that little notch. Okay, then clean the hole out, obviously, because it melts inside the hole. And then it's a case of put it in, push down. You can hear it going in there. You'll know when it's done, because you'll get just a big squirt and nothing else is happening. It's just a quick way and an easier way and a cheaper way of filling your bottles back up. A can of lighter gas, £1.25 to £1.50, and that's 3/4 of a cylinder. Don't know if you can hear it going in there quite well. It seems to burn a lot hotter as well with this gas. A cheaper way of doing it. Recharge your bottles completely for about £2.5. There you go, that's pretty well done. Can't hear anything more. There you go, that little hiss. And that one is empty. And that one is full. Just a cheap way of charging your cylinders. Excellent. Cheers.